What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. On this episode, it's not really going to be an episode. It's going to be a quick overview of what's going on because I am too damn busy working on this Prelude to edit a video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Now, what is going on with this Prelude? So last weekend, Sunday, I made an unreasonable goal for myself, and I said that I could get the main chassis of the Prelude painted and finished by the end of next week. So it's Wednesday tonight, so I have till Sunday night to get this done. So I need to get the engine bay finished up. I need to block the whole car out again, and then spray another coat of primer on everything, and then wet sand it and make sure there's no sanding scratches in it. So the last couple days, we have got another coat of high build on the whole car. So the whole car is silver now, or silver, it's primer color. It's all gray now. And then we started working on the engine bay. We welded up all the holes up top, finished welding those holes down there, and there was a handful of holes in the firewall area. And once we started blocking everything out for the first time, huge low spot right where that pink area is, right there. So we really didn't have the engine bay that good. It was kind of roughed in and just put in primer. But yeah, that's got to be done. It's got to look good. So I have spent the last 2 nights sanding and getting all the nooks and crannies and crevices and just trying to clean up everything in here. Most of this area down in here and across the firewall is terrible. When I had the motor in, you know, this area looked terrible, so I've been working on these 2 areas, trying to clean those up where the mounts go. And it's just really taking a lot of extra time. A lot of time I didn't think it was going to take. Ran out of body filler, so I can't put any more on tonight, so gotta wait till the morning for that. So I was hoping to have this in primer tonight so that I could block out the body tomorrow and then move into the engine bay and then spray everything again probably on Friday night, but it's not going to happen. So I'm going to be a day behind again, which is really going to push us to get this thing painted. But my goal is tomorrow night finish the engine bay and start block sanding the body. Yeah, that was my goal, was to block sand the body and have everything done tomorrow night, but now I got to deal with the engine bay, so it's probably going to be pushed back. So now Friday, put everything back in primer, let it sit. Saturday, got a bunch of family stuff going on for the holidays, and yeah, I'll get out here Saturday night and maybe start wet sanding everything and getting everything nice and tight. And I got to blow everything apart. And then I've got to clean the garage, put some tape down, paper and tape down on the floor, and tape everything off, mask everything off so we're not blowing a bunch of dust up in our paint. And yeah, so that's what's up. That's what we're doing. We're not going to be putting out a video this week, but I wanted to let you guys know what was up. I made a stupid, unrealistic goal for myself, and I'm going to try to meet it because that's what I do. So again, leave a comment down below, like, share, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. We need the subscribers, and thanks for the subscribers we have. Subscribers, there we go. So we'll check you on the next one. Hopefully next Thursday we'll have a video for you, full length of this thing getting body worked and painted. Oh, by the way, I'm done doing time lapses of me just, you know, block sanding because it's fucking boring. Nobody wants to watch that. So yeah, later.